equals
genius.
And wait, we have a missing member today, but never mind. We're gonna talk about chemical reactions.
chemical reaction.
Okay, what is a chemical reaction?
Chemical reaction is something very interesting. From the moment the food enters your mouth until the digestion of it in your stomach. Okay, so to put it simple, chemical reaction is a transformation or rearrangement of the tiny atoms in the chemical substance. Today we are going to present some examples of chemical reaction in our life.
One of the most common chemical reactions in our daily life is oxidation. For example, oxidized banana and rusted without sand. Have you ever wondered why the coconut will turn brownish after being cut?
So now, as you can see, the outside of the coconut is brownish because oxygen enters the injured tissue, therefore oxidation happens. But now, as I rip open this coconut, you can see that it's perfectly white because oxidation did not occur.
Okay, so apart from the oxidation occurs in the coconut, we have respiration.
I know, respiration equals the breathing.
There's a slight misconception. Breathing is actually external respiration, which the cells take in oxygen. In the cells, the oxidization of glucose transforms it into energy, water vapor, and carbon dioxide.
Ah, it's hard to remember.
Now, to help you remember, we're going to sing a song to the tune of Jingle Bell Rock.
So respiration, so we stay alive.
In nasi lemak, enter in oxygen.
Out comes CO2 and water vapor.
Most importantly,
Energy! Get it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about combustion, which is another type of oxidation. To prevent the misconception again, combustion is not exactly burning. Combustion is just the initial point of burning, while burning is a process of when the object is being burned. For example, now we are going to burn a ping pong ball.
be careful.
As you guys know, we need fuel, heat, and oxygen for combustion. Where exactly you can get oxygen?
21% of the air around us consists of oxygen, which supports combustion.
Okay, so what about the heat?
The flame from the blowtorch.
What about the fuel?
I know it's because of the flammable gases in the ping pong ball.
Now, there's another misconception again, because the air inside the ping pong ball is just regular air, whereas the actual flammable material is the cellulose that makes up the ping pong ball.
Oh, I see. But never mind. Now let's talk about chemical decomposition, which is another type of chemical reaction.
So now, in simple terms, chemical decomposition is basically a compound breaking down into a simpler element or compound. In this case, hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen.
Now we're gonna do an experiment based on decomposition using hydrogen peroxide. First, pour some hydrogen peroxide and a few drops of dish soap into the flask.
The dish soap is to trap the oxygen so that the bubbles is obvious.
Now to make the foam obvious, we make some food coloring. What colors do you guys like?
I want red,
Blue.
red,
Blue.
green. Fine.
So now we're going to introduce the magical substance, potassium iodide.
You die?
Yes, you die!
Ouch, that hurts. But never mind, potassium iodide in this case acts as a catalyst to speed up the process of decomposition. May the fun begin. Ta-da! Which finger deserves a clap?
Okay, so to conclude, talking about chemical reaction, one of them is oxidation. Oxidation is respiration and combustion with decomposition at the end.
So what we have heard today is chemical reaction is the transformation of a set of chemical substance to another.
Chemical reaction happens all around us.
Each chemical reaction is unique in its own way.
So I hope we'll be back for a reaction!